नमस्ते, दक्ष्य अनलाइनमा यहाँलाई स्वागत छ। आज हामीहरू एबीसीडी जुन इङ्ग्लिसको 26 अल्फाबेट छ, त्यो 26 अल्फाबेटबाट क्रिएट हुने वर्डहरूलाई नयाँ किसिमले अध्ययन गर्न गइरहेका छौँ। हुन त हामी योभन्दा अगाडि पनि फर एक्जाम्पल ए फर एप्पल, बी फर बल, सी फर क्याट, डी फर डग पढ्दै आइरहेका पनि थियौँ। तर खास गरी टेलिफोनिक कन्भर्सेसनको बेलामा यसरी कमन वर्डहरू प्रनाउन्स गर्नुभन्दा युनिभर्सल फोनेटिक अल्फाबेटलाई हामीले प्रनाउन्स गर्न सक्यौँ भने हाम्रो कम्युनिकेसन मोर इफेक्टिभ हुने सम्भावना रहेको हुँदाखेरि हामीले आज यसैमा केन्द्रित रही यो भिडियो बनाएका छौँ। कृपया यो भिडियोलाई सुरुदेखि अन्त्यसम्म हेर्नुहोला र बुझ्नुहोला कि अबको दिनमा हामीहरूले टेलिफोनिक कन्भर्सेसन गरिरहँदाखेरि कस्तो खालको अल्फाबेटिकल वर्ड्सहरू युज गर्यो भने हाम्रो कम्युनिकेसन मोर इफेक्टिभ हुन्छ भन्ने कुरा हामीले अबको यस भिडियोमा अध्ययन गर्न गइरहेका छौँ। एउटा सानो उदाहरण दिन चाहे, जस्तो हामी टेलिफोन कन्भर्सेसन गरिरहँदाखेरि हामीले हाम्रो नाम बताउन पर्यो र हामीले हाम्रो नाम फर एक्जाम्पल मैले मेरो नाम लिँदाखेरि मेरो नाम हरि भने हियररले मेरो नामलाई राम्रोसँग बुझ्न सकेन, उसले मेरो नाम स्पेल गर्न भन्यो र मैले मेरो नामलाई स्पेल गर्दा HARI हरि भने अझ पनि ऊ क्लियर हुन सकेन। अब मैले अझ बढी विस्तृत रूपमा भन्दाखेरि माई नेम इज हरि, S फर हिरो, A फर एप्पल, R फर रोज एन्ड I फर इङ्क भन्छु। तर मैले मेरो नामलाई उच्चारण गर्दाखेरि जुन वर्डहरू मैले युज गरेँ त्यो वर्ड भनेको युनिभर्सल वर्ड हो। त्यही भएर अब हामीले यो भिडियोमा के बुझ्न गइरहेका छौँ भने हामीहरूले बोलेका शब्दहरू, हामीले बोलेका वर्डहरू कसरी युनिभर्सल बनाउने भन्ने कुरामा के बुझिरहेका छौँ। फर एक्जाम्पल अहिलेकै नामलाई हामी लिगौँ, त्यही मेरो नाम हरि भन्न पऱ्यो भने माई नेम इज हरि, S फर होटल, A फर अल्फा, R for Romeo, and I for India. So, this is a universal way of pronouncing the name. Now, let us move towards the subject matter. Before we move towards Alpha Bravo Charlie words, let me just give you the basic history of how these words were developed through the span of time. Most of us know, or at least have heard of the military alphabet in some way. We hear it being used in war and action movies, video games, and even comic books and novels. But most people have no idea why it is used, how or why it was formed, or why it has become one of the most effective forms of tactical radio communication across the globe. The Nato Phonetic Alphabet, also sometimes referred as Alpha Bravo Charlie, is actually officially called the International Radiotelephony Spelling Alphabet. The International Civil Aviation Organization created code words that it connected to the letters of the English alphabet. Long before the modern military alphabet was created, the International Telecommunication Union had created the first spelling alphabet to be internationally recognized. This was called the ITU Radiotelephonic or Phonetic Alphabet, and it was adopted by the ITU in 1927. The purpose of the Alpha Bravo Charlie code was to allow individuals who were communicating by radio or telephone to understand each other even if the means of communication was not high quality. Created out of necessity, the military phonetic alphabet has undergone many changes over the past decades. However, it remains as one of the most used forms of voice communications across the globe, especially in various agencies where clear and concise radio and telephone communication is a must. The first letter of the Greek alphabet is A for alpha. Likewise, B for bravo. It is an exclamation expression of applause. C stands for Charlie. C stands for Charlie. D for delta. It is an object shaped like an equilateral triangle. D for delta. E for echo. It is not equal, rather echo. E for echo. F for foxtrot. F for foxtrot. G for golf. It is a type of the game. G for golf. Likewise, H for hotel. H for hotel. I for, it is a very common name. I for India. In Hindi, it is also called Bharat. I for India. Likewise, J for Juliet. J for Juliet. Similarly, K for kilo. 1000 grams equals to 1 kilo. K for kilo. L for Lima. L for Lima. M for Mike. M stands for Mike. N for November. November is the month following October and preceding December. N for November. O for Oscar. It is an Academy Award. O for Oscar. P for Papa, a male parent. P for Papa. P for Papa. Q for Quebec. This is the largest province of Canada as well. Q for Quebec. R for Rome. R for either Rome or you can even say Romeo. R stands for either Rome or Romeo, whatever you say. Likewise, S for Sierra. Sierra is a range of mountains. S for Sierra. T for Tango. T for Tango. It is a ballroom dance of Latin American origin. T for Tango. U for Uniform. U stands for uniform. Likewise, V for Victor. V for Victor. W for Whiskey. It's a liqueur made from fermented mass of grain. W for Whiskey. X for X-ray. X for X-ray. Y stands for Yankee. Y stands for Yankee. Z, or in American English it is also called Jock, Judo. Z for Judo.